Also had 3 time halts, a score of 23. Michael Hughes coming back with his third ride in our Junior Classic. This is Aaron Ritter's Jumbo Jet, 1503.
Kylie Hopwood on deck, Kylie Morrison, 108, 2 to go. Okay, just a couple minutes, 15 rounds. We're going to be looking for Ben Sadler jumping off first, Michael second, Claudia third, Matthias fourth, Hannah Hayes fifth, and Chelsea sixth.
Come.